Nomenclature of alkyl halides. Nomenclature of alkyl halides. So general formula of the alkyl halides is the RX. So wherein R is the alkyl, X is the halogen. So according to common nomenclature, first represent the alkyl group, next to halogen group. But according to IUPAC nomenclature, first represent the halogen group, next to alkyl group. So let us consider some alkyl halides, common names and IUPAC names. So alkyl halides, common name and IUPAC name of the alkyl halides. So first compound is CH3Cl. It is alkyl halide. So the common name is methyl. CH3 is methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. So in common name, first represent the alkyl group, next to halogen. So IUPAC name is chloromethane. So in IUPAC name, first represent the halogen, next to alkyl group. So then second one is C2H5Cl. So C2H5Cl, so it is CH3, CH2, it is Cl. So the common name is number of carbons 2. Root word is meth, eth. So then it is ethyl chloride. IUPAC name is chloroethane. So then third one is CH2Cl2. So then it is CH, it is CH, it is Cl, and it is a Cl. So two chlorines are present on the carbon. So it is methylidene chloride. So then IUPAC name is dichloromethane. So then third one is CH3Cl. So representation is CH, 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 it is Cl. So the common name is chloroform. So then CH3Cl, CH3Cl. So its common name is methyl chloride. So it is chloromethane. So then fourth one is CHCl3. So it is CH, it is Cl, it is Cl, it is Cl. Three halogens are present in the alkyl halide derivatives. So it is chloroform. Chloroform is the common name. So IUPAC name is trichloromethane is the IUPAC name of the compound. So then same as fifth compound is CH3CHCl2. So now its common name is number of carbons 2. So then it is ethylene chloride. So then IUPAC name is dichloroethane. So then sixth compound is CH2CH2CH2CH2Cl. So then its common name is number of carbons is 4. So then it is a straight chain. It is N-butyl chloride. IUPAC name is 1-chlorobutane. So then seventh one is CH3 taken twice, CH2Cl. So then its representation is CH3. So it is H, it is CH2, it is Cl. So then this carbon is primary, secondary, it is tertiary. So then tertiary butyl chloride. So it is tertiary butyl chloride. So tertiary butyl chloride. So then eighth one is CH3 taken thrice, CBr. So now C, it is CH3, it is CH3, it is CH3, it is Br. So this carbon is primary, secondary, tertiary. So it is tertiary tertiary butyl bromide. So the common name is 1-bromo dimethyl ethane. So then next one is CH2 double bond CH2, it is Cl. So then alkyl group attached to the sp3 carbon. Next carbon is sp carbon. So it is allyl chloride. So the IUPAC name is, so number of carbons is, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3. So third carbon with chlorine, first carbon with double bond ene. So then 3-chloro meth prop, 3-chloro prop one ene. So it is the common name. So next compound is 10th compound. So for example, let us consider benzene. Benzene, it is Cl, it is CH3. So benzene with methyl group is toluene and halogen. So it is chloro toluene. Toluene is the common name. So chlorine is first carbon, methyl group is present at the second carbon. So the IUPAC name of the compound is 1-chloro-2-methyl benzene. 1-chloro-2-methyl 1-chloro-2-methyl benzene. So then 11th compound is benzene with CH2Cl. So it is the benzyl chloride. Common name is benzyl chloride. So IUPAC name is, it is chlorine, it is methyl group, and it is the phenyl group. So chlorophenyl methane. Chlorophenyl methane is the IUPAC name. So then 12th compound is benzene ring with CHCl2. So 2 chlorines are present on the side chain carbon. So it is benzal chloride. It is the common name, but IUPAC name is 2 chlorines are present. So dichlorofenyl methane. It is the IUPAC name. So then 13th is, for example, let us consider CH3 taken twice, CH2, it is Br. So now this representation is C, it is CH3, so then it is CH, so it is CH2, and it is Br. So now this carbon is primary, secondary, tertiary. So then tertiary meet eth propbute, tertiary butyl bromide. So now numbering the carbons, it is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is third carbon, it is fourth carbon. So then 1-bromo-3-methyl butane. 1-bromo-3-methyl meet eth propbute. So it is butane. So these are the common names and IUPAC names of the some alkyl halide groups. So the next compound is next compound, 14th compound is. So for example, let us consider CH3 taken twice, CH2 Br. So now this representation is CH3 CH3 then CH2, it is Br. So this carbon is primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary carbon. So the name of the compound is neo methane propbutapent, neo pentyl bromide, neopentyl bromide. So then its IUPAC name is this first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So then 1 bromo 3 comma 3 dimethyl 3 comma 3 dimethyl propane 3 comma 3 dimethyl propane. It is the common name. So for example, let us consider so it is the bond line representation. In this bond line representation, number of carbons 1, 2, 3 and 4. So long chain is bute. Long chain is bute and third carbon, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon with bromine and first carbon with double bond alkene. So it is 1, it is 2, it is 3 and it is 4. So 3 bromo meth eth prop bute 1 ene. So 3 bromo bute 1 ene. It is the common name of the compound. For example, 16th compound is C double bond C. It is CH3. It is H. It is H. And it is Br. And it is H. And it is CH3. So the numbering of the carbons is, it is first carbon, it is second carbon, it is third carbon 1, 2, 3, it is fourth carbon and it is fifth carbon. So then second carbon with a double bond, fourth carbon with bromine group. So the name of the compound is 4-bromo meth eth prop bute pent. So then 4-bromo pent 2-ene. For 4-bromo pent 2-ene is the IUPAC name of the compound. So then next compound is